Welcome. Today I'll demonstrate to use a poster template created by me on LaTeX. This template can be used to design portrait as well as landscape posters. This is 2 columns portrait poster, 3 columns portrait, and 3 columns landscape poster. You can download this template from the link given in the description box of this video. Once you download, make sure that you have this text file, poster, class file, beef file, samples folder. This folder contains 3 templates, 3 columns portrait, 3 columns landscape, and 2 columns portrait. One folder with the name of GFX, which contains several images. You can delete all these images and put your images. Now I'll open this text file. This is the main text file. This poster supports different font sizes, for example 12, 14, 17, 20, and 25. You can choose any poster size, for example A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, and so on. Apart from these, you can also create a custom poster size with this option, custom poster equals to width and height. Default orientation is portrait. Default logo position is left, but with the right logo option, it can be shifted to the right. Default title alignment is center. With the option of title align left and title align right, we can set the alignment at left and right respectively. Default citation style is numbers. You can also use author here with the option of author here. I'll show an example in which logo has been shifted to the right with the right logo option. With this option, title will be aligned at the right. In this A0 portrait poster, as you can see that font size has been chosen as 25 point, but actual font size is 25 into 1.14, which will be 28.5. So this is the actual font size. If you use 1, then actual font size will be 25. At this place, you can provide header and footer information, title, author, university, email ID, logo, and footer. After that, begin document, begin columns. Here at this place, you need to set the number of columns. Then each section of the poster you can create using a poster box environment. Begin poster box, then in square bracket title. After that, just put your content. If you have to use a figure, then just use a poster figure environment. Include graphics, then caption with the fig cap command and label. End poster box. In a similar way, second section, begin poster box, title, then content. Similar to figure, if you have to use a table, then you can use a poster table environment. For caption, you can use a table cap command. Once first column is completely filled, then you can use a new column command. After that, in a similar way, begin poster box, title, and then content. For subsection, you can use a sub poster title command, as it can be seen here. For equation, you can use a poster equation environment. Once a second column is completely filled, again use a new column. If required, you can also use vspace command for labeling each column. For color and other effects, you can use these commands. For example, background canvas, you can change the color of the background. For changing header color, we can use this command. By using title bg color, we can change the background color of header. We can modify red strip as well using a title strip command, color name, and line thickness. With the help of poster box set command, we can modify the box. Here we can put background color of the box, frame color, box separation. We can also adjust the width and height of the box. Alright. Using poster equation color, we can change the background color of equation. Okay. Similarly, you can create a two column portrait poster. For this, you just need to change the number of columns at this place. And for landscape, you need to provide landscape option in the document class. Number of columns at this place, and the rest of the things will be same. Here font size is a little bit less than 25 because I have chosen 0.95. Alright, so you can use these templates. Thanks for watching.